How to fix Asana task not syncing across devices. So in here, the very first thing you want to do is check your connectivity. Make sure that your device is actually connected to a stable network connection. If you scroll down through your control panel, you will be able to see your Wi-Fi. Long press on that one, and if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi and see if that helps. If that did not help, then try to force reload on the web. So if you're using the web, you can actually press on the control plus F or command plus shift plus R, and if you're on the mobile, then you can actually pull down the screen in order to refresh it just like this and see if that helped. If that still did not help, then try to log out of your account and log back into your Asana application or your website, and then it will help you clear all of the local data sync issues. And if that still did not work, then try to check for Asana status. You can actually check in the web browser. You can type status.asana.com for the system outages. So simply type that down. So after doing that, you can simply search for it, and this is the page that will open, and from here you can actually see if the operations or the system updates have any issues or not. So yeah, by doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that it will help you fix the Asana task not syncing across devices.